Okay, so here we have the attitudes survey. Let me just show you how this and the process will be the same. So instead of taking the average for each item first, we need to get the average score for each respondent. In other words, we want to take the average of each row, and then that's what we'll be taking the means and standard deviation of. So I'm going to click in on N and insert extra column here. And then I'm going to create an average, so equals average of, I'm just going to scroll this across here, get all those. That's going to give me an average here of everything. Now this is going to get a little ugly down at the end just because of the way it's set up. If we want, we can even delete this, give ourselves some room here. Okay, then the next thing we want to do is let's get the average and standard deviation. So the means and, I guess I'll call that the mean. Let's get the mean and standard deviation of that column we just created. So the mean, we're going to take the average and then scroll that all the way up to the top. So it's N2 through N155. And we can do the same thing for the standard deviation. We do want the sample, so .s. This is a sample of a larger population. And that was N2 through N155 right there. And this is how we would get the mean and standard deviation.